Thinking about living in Corona Del Mar? Let's break down the biggest pros and cons, the good, the bad, and the unexpected, before you fall in love with those ocean views. My name is Berit Hayden, and I'm the host of Living Life in Orange County, California. I've lived in Orange County for over 25 years, raised my family here, and I love helping people understand not only the homes, but also the lifestyle surrounding them. Corona Del Mar means crown of the sea. And once you see the beaches, cliffs, ocean views, flower streets, and beautiful homes, the name makes perfect sense. But every community has trade-offs. So let's start with the pros. The coastal lifestyle. The first and most obvious advantage is the location. Corona Del Mar sits along Newport Beach coastline with easy access to Big Corona, Little Corona, tide pools, coastal overlooks, and beautiful walking routes along Ocean Boulevard. You can start your morning with a walk near the water, spend the afternoon at the beach, and watch the sunsets from Inspiration Point. For many buyers, this is the dream. You are not simply living near the coast becomes part of your everyday routine. And because the community is fairly compact, many residents can enjoy the beach, village, restaurants, coffee shops, and neighborhood streets without always getting into the car. Another major advantage is the walkable village atmosphere. Corona Del Mar feels different for many newer Orange County communities. It has established streets, original cottages, updated luxury homes, local businesses, cafes, boutiques, restaurants, and well-known flower streets. Depending upon where you live, you may be able to walk to coffee, lunch, dinner, shopping, the beach, or one of the scenic overlooks. That creates a true neighborhood feeling. Corona Del Mar feels polished and upscale, but it still has some old school coastal village personality. It is fancy, but still flip-flops. The outdoor lifestyle is another huge benefit. Big Corona offers a more traditional beach experience, while Little Corona feels more tucked away and is known for its tide pools, rocky coastline, and natural scenery. You also have Inspiration Point, Lookout Point, neighborhood parks, bluff-top walking areas, and nearby Crystal Cove. For people who enjoy walking, swimming, surfing, photography, sunsets, or simply being near the ocean, Corona Del Mar delivers something special. Corona Del Mar is not one single neighborhood with one type of home. The village and flower streets offer more walkability and proximity to restaurants, shops, and the beach. Ocean Boulevard is known for coastal views and immediate access to scenic overlooks. Neighborhoods such as Irvine Terrace, Cameo Shores, Shore Cliffs, Cameo Highlands, and Harbor View Hills offer different combinations of privacy, larger homes, wider streets, ocean views, harbor proximity, or access to nearby amenities. In Corona Del Mar, choosing the right pocket is just as important as choosing the right house. Corona Del Mar offers excellent access to restaurants, cafes, boutiques, grocery stores, and everyday conveniences. Nearby, you also have Fashion Island, Newport Center, Crystal Cove, shopping centers, and additional shopping and dining throughout Newport Beach, John Wayne Airport, Irvine Costa Mesa, and other parts of Central Orange County are also reasonably accessible. So even though Corona Del Mar feels like a tucked away coastal village, it is still connected. From a real estate perspective, buyers here are purchasing much more than square footage. They are buying the location, views, walkability, proximity to water, village, atmosphere, Newport Beach name, and overall lifestyle. People often fall in love with Corona Del Mar because it feels so special. It combines natural beauty, established neighborhood character, luxury real estate, and everyday convenience in a very small coastal area. Another important advantage for many buyers is access to highly regarded public and private school options. Corona Del Mar is served by Newport Mesa Unified School school district, and local schools frequently receive strong marks for academic, college preparation, and active community activities. Corona Del Mar High School serves grades 7 through 12, has been reported among the top 20% of California high schools, with strong math and reading performance and significant participation in advanced placement courses. Harborview Elementary is often recognized as one of the area's strongest elementary schools, with high statewide performance in English, math, and science. Abraham Lincoln Elementary also performs in the upper tier statewide and is known for providing a strong academic foundation. Families also have private school choices, including Harbor Day School, a highly regarded kindergarten through 8th grade option known for smaller classes and a strong preparatory program. Of course, strong schools can come with trade-offs. Some parents and students describe a highly competitive academic environment, increased pressure, and larger student population at secondary level. School rankings, attendance boundaries, programs, and enrollment rules can change, so buyers should verify all current information directly with the school district and individual schools before making a housing decision. Because there are definitely a few cons, the biggest disadvantage is the price. Estimates vary, but the overall cost of living in Corona Del Mar is often reported at roughly 43% to 64% above the U.S. national average, driven heavily by housing costs, high rent, and elevated everyday expenses. Recent market estimates place the median home average broadly between about $3.8 million and $4.65 million. Smaller townhomes or older condos may begin around $2 million to $2.5 million, while custom homes and estates can stretch from $5 million to well above $40 million. Price per square foot can vary dramatically, roughly $1,400 to $3,500 or more, depending on street condition, a lot, ocean view, and proximity to the beach. Rental numbers also vary depending on the property. Apartment estimates may begin around $2,284 for a one-bedroom and approximately $3,114 for a multiple bedroom, single family, or luxury rentals. Can range from roughly $5,300 to more than $8,600 or even $12,000 per month. In other words, buyers here are not paying for the square footage alone. They are paying for the street view, lot, walkability, beach proximity, condition, and lifestyle. A smaller or older property in Corona Del Mar may cost substantially more than a large home elsewhere. Around here, the location is doing a lot of heavy lifting. Parking can also be very challenging, particularly near the village, beach, and popular coastal areas. Some streets are narrow. Some homes have limited garage or driveway space, and public parking fills quickly during weekends, holidays, and warmer months. If you regularly entertain, have several vehicles, or dislike hunting for parking, investigate this carefully. A street that feels peaceful on Tuesday may be auditioning for a completely different role on Saturday. Pacific Coast Highway runs through Corona Del Mar and serves as the community's main commercial corridor. That creates convenience, but it also creates heavy traffic. During summer, weekends, holidays, and commuting hours, PCH can become very busy. For someone making a daily commute at peak hours, this deserves serious consideration. Corona Del Mar has wonderful character, but much of that character comes from an older housing stock. Some properties have been completely rebuilt or beautifully remodeled. Others may need significant updates. Buyers should pay close attention to the roof, plumbing, electrical systems, windows, foundation, drainage, HVAC, coastal wear, and the quality of previous renovations. An adorable beach cottage can be charming. It can also arrive with a renovation list long enough to qualify as light reading. In parts of the village and flower streets, homes may sit on smaller lots and closer together than buyers expect. Outdoor space, driveway space, privacy, and storage can be limited. For buyers who want a large backyard, wide setbacks, and significant privacy, some areas may feel tight. Larger lots and greater privacy do exist, but they usually come at an even greater premium. Living near the ocean is wonderful, but salt air is not particularly sentimental about your property. Coastal exposure may affect exterior paint, metal, windows, roofing materials, outdoor fixtures, railings, and mechanical systems. The ocean view may be free. The maintenance department did not receive that memo. Depending on the property and location, remodeling or rebuilding may involve city requirements, zoning rules, neighborhood restrictions, HOA rules, or coastal development considerations. Buyers planning to expand, tear down, rebuild, add parking, or create an accessory dwelling unit should investigate feasibly before purchasing. Never assume that because a neighboring home completed a project, your property will automatically receive the same approval. Corona Del Mar may be a great fit for someone who values walkability, coastal scenery, beach access, village charm, restaurants, beautiful architecture, Newport Beach, prestige, and an active outdoor lifestyle. It may not be the best fit for someone whose priorities are to maximize square footage, a large yard, abundant parking, or a low purchase price, minimal maintenance, or a quiet location far from seasonal traffic. Neither choice is right or wrong. It comes down to what you want your daily life to feel like. Corona Del Mar is beautiful, distinctive, and highly desirable, but it is important to understand why you are paying for what trade-offs come with the lifestyle. For the right buyer, that combination of coastal beauty, walkability, village charm, beaches, restaurants, and neighborhood character can be difficult to beat. For someone prioritizing space, affordability, easy parking, and newer construction, another Orange County community may be more what you're looking for. Which Corona Del Mar lifestyle would you choose? Would you rather live near the village and walk to restaurants and coffee shops, or would you prefer a quieter residential neighborhood with more space and privacy? Let me know in the comments below. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to learn more about Corona Del Mar, Newport Beach, and the surrounding Orange County cities, subscribe here so that you can follow my neighborhood tours, market updates, and local real estate videos. And if you are thinking about moving to Corona Del Mar or anywhere in Orange County, reach out anytime. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, my team and I would be happy to help you make a smooth move. I'm Berit Hayden with Living Life in Orange County, California. Thank you so much for watching.